squats, bench presses, and deadlifts are overrated, overhyped when it comes to building muscle hypertrophy, muscle strength, and being injury free and joint pain free. But until and unless if you are a professional powerlifter who mastered these three skills for over many years and dealt with a lot of injury and joint pains, then you already know the reality. Now, take an example of squat. The main problem is instability. It requires balancing a bar in an awkward position on your trapezius muscle, placing unnecessary strain on your wrist joint and shoulder joint. Your mind is juggling towards balancing the bar that you don't fall forward or backward while performing this exercise. In the squats, you are already accumulating a lot of fatigue on your wrist joint, your shoulder joint, and the weight is on your trapezius muscle, which by means you are wasting a lot of energy by the start of this exercise itself. Now we have better exercise selection when it comes to training quadriceps muscle. For example, leg press and leg extension. The number one factor of these two machines is which provides stability. Enough stability that your body is stabilized on that machine, where all the external load is directed towards that particular targeted muscle. By this mean the targeted muscle will produce more force to fight the external load, which will create a better sufficient amount of muscle mechanical tension, which will result in better hypertrophy. We have a scientific literature regarding this which shows that leg extension achieved a better muscle hypertrophy better than squats, and squats has a higher risk of injury. Now this same applies with deadlift. When we have a 45-degree hyperextension, then there is no good reason to perform a deadlift, which is a terrible for your spinal cord and back bones. Likewise, when it comes to bench press, where you have to balance the bar and learn the bench press skill, it will take a lot of time. When we have a machine chest press, dumbbell bench press, which provides better stability, better resistance profile when it comes to building muscle. Most of the people in this world, especially sport athlete, elderly population, especially injured population, women and beginners who just started going to the gym, who did not build sufficient amount of muscle mass and spent 3 to 4 years training their muscle, performing squats, bench press and deadlifts provides no utility in their life and in their sport career. Your muscle and joint doesn't care about the source of force. It only cares about stimulus, mechanical tension and safety, joint pain free. So provide those things and build muscle in a safest and fastest way possible. See you in the next one.